Hi guys, welcome back. To yesterday there we got an email from 00 Robotics, and here's what was in the email. The V-COPTR has some firmware updates. The firmware package was issued on January the 26th, 2022, and this is what they've issued. There's drone firmware version 5.1.0, the fly kit, which is the program on your computer that you're going to use to update your drone and your controller, and that has a firmware of version of 1.6.0, and there's also an update to the V-COPTR app version 1.1.7. The new functions that are being added, this is very small, very minor. We've already done the update on the drone. We wanted to take it out today, but it's like minus 19, so it's not a great day to be outside. And what they've added is orbit in the track shots. If you remember, there's only 2 Omni-Follow features and there was only 2 track shot features. Well, now they've added a 3rd track shot features called the orbit. There's supports for the app, save preview video to phone album, and there's some bugs fixed and interaction optimized. So until we actually can get the bird in the air, we don't know what difference these new firmware is actually going to do. Anyways, we're just going to show you a little bit of how we actually update this. Okay, let's open up the V-COPTR. Okay, and we're going to plug into the side here. Okay, we've plugged into the side. We're going to plug this into our computer. Okay, we're going to turn the drone on. Okay, the drone is on. Let's take this gimbal cover off. That's okay. The camera is moving now. Okay, that's super. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the fly kit. And the fly kit. This is what the fly kit is going to look like, and what you're going to do is click on here. And this is where you're going to click up at the top here. It's probably going to say do the update. I've already done the update. And to make sure that you have the proper update, it's going to show you on the left-hand side, version 5.1.0. Okay, all the battery firmware is up to date, and the Falcon firmware is up to date. Okay, you're going to go back out of here. Okay, we're going to turn off the drone. Okay, we're going to unplug this, and we're going to plug in the controller. Okay, and again, in this program, you're going to click on the controller. And for this firmware, there was no firmware update for the actual controller. So everything was up to date, and that's version 1.2.80. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I guess as soon as the weather clears up, we're going to take the V-COPTR Falcon back out, and let's see if any of these firmware updates and updates to the app make any difference. It doesn't look like a whole lot. Anyways, we'll catch you in the next one.